Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD beta video. So we are on still version 11.4.4. We're still waiting for .5. Apparently it's taking a little bit longer than the usual. Some folks have been saying that it's been coming out, I think, on a new branch, but we haven't seen that yet, so we'll see how that goes. I'm in West Kelowna, so we are on a trip right now, going to the West Coast. And this is one of the stops we're staying over with family, so I thought I'll do a few drives here. I need to go and supercharge my car, but before that I'll warm up the car by doing a few FSD drives and maneuvers. So let's see how it goes. Driving over here is a little bit difficult. Let me know, guys, if you're from Kelowna or BC in general. I find that whenever there's a speed limit of like 50 or something like that, people don't stick to that speed limit. They go up like 20 kilometers an hour, and I'm like, what are you guys doing? Like, I don't know if I should stick to that speed limit or not. I just don't want to get a ticket, to be honest. So, yeah. Here's a very interesting situation where we have, it doesn't really slow down, and our vision is a little bit occluded, so we don't really see any cars, but I just pop my head up a little bit just to make sure we're clear, and the car just swiftly goes through that. But, if it was more erring on the side of safety, it should have stopped, to be honest. Okay, so we'll fast forward you here. We're coming up to a few roundabouts. We're not going to cross the bridge from West Kelowna to the other side of the city, just because there's a lot of traffic, as you can see over here. Apologies, I'll just zoom out over here, or zoom in to increasing my screen over here. And yeah, enjoy the drive. Okay, so we're coming up to this roundabout over here. There's a lot of congestion. This is backed up due to the bridge. Let's see if our car can go through over here. Let's squeeze in. It's edging in actually pretty nicely over here, just trying to squeeze in. I'm gonna have to maybe intervene and let it go through. Nobody's really giving me way. It does actually, and somebody's just waving me in. So, and here we go. The car just accelerates in and then signals trying to get out of this area over here. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Good. That was really good. That I was anticipating worse, to be honest. It does come to a slow over here at this yield, but then enters the roundabout once it's clear. And we're going around and round. And now we should take this exit over here. Here we go. Very nicely done. Happy with that. Alright, let's check out this merge over here into the highway. We're still on a low speed over here. We should pick up our speed. There's the merge sign, so we do have to merge. Okay, it's picking up speed up to 60. Lane's ending over here, and we kind of merge, but without an indicator or any sort of indication to merge into the highway. Yeah, okay, it did it well. That lane was empty, so if it was full, it would have been an issue. But there you go. And a nice boost to 80 kilometers an hour over here. Now this lane is also ending, so let's see if we are able to change lanes. Okay, it does indicate that. So it's indicating changing lanes for following route. Ah, man. Should have transitioned this smoother. Okay, I'm gonna have to intervene here. I'm just pushing the accelerator. Come on. It was signaling to change lanes, but then it kind of changed its mind. Anyway, so no disengagement there. I just pushed the accelerator, got it to go around that truck, and then it realized that the lane's ending, so it kind of merged into traffic. Again, that's a weird situation, but there you go. So folks, if you haven't done yet, please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. I really appreciate it. I have a referral link for buying any Tesla products as well. So if you know anyone who's buying a new Tesla and you want to support a small YouTuber, please go ahead and share my link. It'll be down in the description below. Okay, so we're indicating to change lanes over here. I tell you what, BC traffic is kind of on the assertive side, and FSD is not really that assertive. Actually, let's change the profile to assertive and see if we can. Oh wow, this is really not working out. Okay, I'm gonna push the accelerator here. It did have to change the lane, like change to turn over there, but it didn't even get the chance with this brutal traffic. If you are in Kelowna, you should go out and test. This is really good scenarios over here. We don't get that brutal traffic in Alberta, to be honest. People tend to be a little bit more, they give way and all that stuff in Alberta more than they do in Kelowna. Okay, let's see how we're routed now. So yeah, we should go through a residential area inside. So that'll be an interesting drive. I'll speed you up here till that left turn comes up. So we should be taking this left over here. Let's see if it squeezes in. Nah, it's not gonna do it. I'm gonna give it a tap over here just to try and get it to go through. Okay, so it just needed a little bit of a nudge. Another small intervention. So we've got the left turning lane, right of left turn over here, and it does it very nicely. Full confidence, no slowdown at the turn. Like it. And if you folks are from Kelowna, let me know what's if you have any nice areas to go to. I'll probably be back home by then when this is posted up. But just let me know, and I'll probably try and do that video the next year around, because we kind of come here every year. We love buying wine from here. We love visiting the wineries. We're huge fans. Alright, we're coming up to a single lane roundabout over here. So we should be taking a right from here. Let's see how that goes. And then we're going to take another roundabout, which is going to be a 3/4 roundabout, and let's see how that goes as well. Quite a slowdown, and then, yeah, once it's clear, it goes ahead. It kind of stops a little bit further behind the roundabout, so it's not really a little bit of a jerkiness there, just to turn in to the right turn over here. Wasn't that smooth. Okay, should go smooth sailing over here. Come on, guy. Come on, FSD. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Very good. Let's go, FSD. Happy with that. Very good. Very good performance. All right, now we're coming up to a left turn, a right turn, and I'll probably end the video over there. There's some construction coming up. I don't know if we're going to catch that. Oh yeah, we're going to have to go to the end of this. Yeah, I'll probably fast forward you through this construction when our turn comes to drive through. There we go, smooth acceleration. There's a person standing there in the construction visor with the slow signal on. Let's see how it goes through these cones. Quite a slowdown. It's slowing down a bit too much, but you know what? I'm okay with that. And once we're clear, we should be able to go. All right. Just because the cones were a little bit narrow than the road, so FSD was a little bit more extra cautious, let's say. But I really like that interaction. You know, there's construction workers around us. We don't want to be spitting out stones or anything at them if we're going too fast, so happy with that. coming up to a stop sign. Now it's creeping forward for visibility. We're kind of occluded on the left-hand side here, just due to a bush and parked car. But it's clear to go, so we're going now. And the person behind me is honking at us. Alrighty, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this different video than the usual locations that I drive in. And to be honest, I just put in a location at the, you know, I'm feeling lucky, and I just went there. And the car just drives itself, and that is the future, really. Like, I'm really looking forward to this. So 0 disengagements on a very unique location that I don't drive in usually. So yeah, drop me a comment, let me know what do you think, and we'll see you on the next one, folks. Have a nice one. Bye for now.